In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tag on Convertkit. Now, whether you're clearing out old, unused tags, or simply tidying up your subscribers list, this quick and easy process will have you spring cleaning your account in no time. To begin, open up your web browser of choice and head over to the Convertkit website. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log in first. If you're new to Convertkit, you'll need to register to create an account, but assuming you already have one, input your details and let's move on. After successfully logging into your Convertkit account, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Grow tab located at the top of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Subscribers. This is the area where all your subscribers are organized, and it's also where you'll manage your tags. Once you're on the subscribers page, take a look over at the right-hand sidebar. This is where all of your tags and segments are conveniently listed. Scroll through until you find the specific tag you want to eliminate. Found it? Great! Go ahead and click on it. This action will filter your subscribers, showing you only those linked to the selected tag, making it easy for you to double-check if this is indeed the tag you wish to delete. Now, pay close attention to the top of the filtered subscriber list, where you'll notice an Edit link situated near the name of the tag. Give that a click, and it will open up a modal window with various options for editing your tag. Within this modal, you'll see an option labeled Delete Tag. This is your green light to go ahead with the deletion. Once you click the Delete Tag button, the system will ask you to confirm your decision. It's important to note that deleting a tag is permanent and irreversible, so make sure you've selected the correct one before proceeding. Once you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. And just like that, the tag will be removed from your Convertkit account, freeing up your list of any unwanted clutter. In just a few steps, you've successfully deleted a tag on Convertkit. This process helps keep your subscriber list organized and relevant, ensuring that your marketing efforts are as efficient and targeted as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Happy organizing!